I'm Ann Perryman. I'm a school social worker with Pupil personnel. We do spend a lot of time in schools supporting attendance clerks, having meetings with school staff to address attendance and attendance barriers for students and families. We spend a lot of time in the community as well. We do home visits, community meetings, and just lots of different things to help support families and students. Family engagement is a huge piece. Like, that is something that we're doing daily. We spend a lot of times reaching out to families, whether that's on the phone or, reaching out, doing home visits, meeting with families at schools, doing family engagement meetings to help re-engage families and students in school, because our department mainly deals with attendance. And oftentimes we know that if students are engaged and families are engaged, then their attendance is going to improve and they're going to be there. And we want to address any barriers to school attendance so that we can make sure that students are at school every day so that they can learn. I think a lot of times, when families hear about, pupil personnel, or they hear about attendance, they think that, that we're, trying to get families in trouble, and that is not the intention of our department. Our department is to support families. We want to address any of those barriers, whether that's mental health or whether it's transportation or anything that could be happening. If a family is moved, we just want to help support them and get them re-engaged in school. And so it's not about getting anybody in trouble. We want to communicate and work as a team. Schools are our first line when we're working with families around attendance, because we want families to reach out to the school first and to communicate with the school and, let the schools know what is going on and what support that they need. I think that, our schools are wonderful at, meeting. We have regular meetings at schools where we, talk about students and families and try to work together. We want to work smarter, not harder, and collaboration is really key. And so, like, we can't do the work that we do without the support of, our family resource centers, without the support of school counselors, without the support of our attendance clerks. So it really is a team effort, and so we can't do what we need to do without the support of all of those people at school. And we're really lucky, because I feel like, at least at all of my schools, I have great support from all of the school staff. Reaching out to Pupil personnel at the 485-3338 number is the best way to get connected. And then also, you can always reach out directly to the school and ask for contact information for your school social worker or your ADPP.